Welcome guys to a new video of Speed Learning 2x which is related to all the competitive exam. Here the focus will be given on the common subject of competitive exam like reasoning, maths and also the quick revision of previous year paper will be done. So today we will do the quick revision of the next part of the country capital language. Please go through the previous video of the country capital. The link is below in description box. Please do hit like and subscribe button and comment down below if any doubt. So let's begin. So the first country we are going to learn is Egypt. So the first country we are going to learn is Egypt. The capital of Egypt is Cairo and the currency of Egypt is Egyptian pound and the language of Egypt is Arabic. Now the second is El Salvador. The capital of El Salvador is San Salvador. The currency of El Salvador is colon US dollar and the language of El Salvador is Spanish. Now the third is Equatorial Guinea. The capital of Equatorial Guinea is Malabo. The currency of Equatorial Guinea is CFA franc and the language of Equatorial Guinea is Spanish, French or Portuguese. Now the next is Eritrea. The capital of Eritrea is Asmara. Now the currency of Eritrea is Nakfa and the language of Eritrea is Arabic, Tigrinya and the English. Now the next is Estonia. The capital of Estonia is Tallinn and the currency of Estonia is Estonia, Kroon or Euro and the language of Estonia is Estonian. Now, now the next is Ethiopia. Now the capital of Ethiopia is Abada. Now the currency of Ethiopia is Bir and the language of Ethiopia is Amharic. Now the next is Fiji. The capital of Fiji is Suva. The currency of Fiji is Fiji dollar. The language of Fiji is English, Bao, Fijian or Hindi. Now the next country is Finland. The capital of Finland is Helsinki and the currency of Finland is Euro and the language of Finland is Finnish, Swedish. Now the next country is France. The capital of France is Paris. The currency of France is Euro. The language of France is French. Now the next is Gabon. The capital of Gabon is Libreville. Now the currency of Gabon is CFA franc and the language of Gabon is French. Now the next is the Gambia. The capital of the Gambia is Banjul. The currency of the Gambia is Delasi and the language of the Gambia is English. Now the next is Georgia. Georgia. The capital of Georgia is Tbilisi. The currency of Georgia is Lari and the language of Georgia is Georgian. Now the next is Germany. The capital of Germany is Berlin. The currency of Germany is Euro and the language of Germany is German. Now the next is Ghana. The capital of Ghana is Accra. The currency of Ghana is Cedi and the language of Ghana is English. Now the last is Greece. The capital of Greece is Athens and the currency of Greece is Euro and the language of Greece is Greek. Quick revision of the these all countries. So the country first is capital Egypt. Now the capital of Egypt is Cairo. Currency is Egyptian pound and the language is Arabic. So Egypt, Cairo, Egyptian pound, Arabic. Egypt, Cairo, Egyptian pound and Arabic. Now the next is El Salvador. Now the capital of El Salvador is San Salvador. Currency of El Salvador is colon or US dollar and the language is Spanish. So El Salvador, San Salvador, colon US dollar or Spanish. El Salvador, San Salvador, colon US dollar or Spanish. Now the next is Equatorial Guinea. Capital of Equatorial Guinea is Malabo. Currency is CFA franc and the language is Spanish, French or Portuguese. Now the country is Equatorial Guinea, Malabo, CFA franc, Spanish, French, Portuguese. Equatorial Guinea, Malabo, CFA franc, Spanish, French or Portuguese. Now the next is Eritrea. The capital of Eritrea is Asmara. Currency is Nakfa and the language is English, Arabic. Now the Eritrea, Asmara, Nakfa, Arabic or English. Now the next is Estonia. The capital of Estonia is Tallinn. The currency of Estonia is Estonian kroon and the language of Estonia is Estonian. So Estonia, Tallinn, Estonian kroon, Estonia, Estonia, Tallinn, Estonian kroon, Estonian. Now the next is Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, Bir Amharic, Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, Bir Amharic. Now the next is Fiji. The capital of Fiji is Suva. Currency is Fiji dollar and the language is English Hindi. Now Fiji, Suva, Fiji dollar, English Bao Fijian or Hindi. Fiji, Suva, Fiji dollar, English Bao Fijian or Hindi. Now the next is Finland. The capital of Finland is Helsinki. The currency of Finland is Euro and the language of Finland is Finnish Swedish. So Finland, Helsinki, Euro, Finnish Swedish. Finland, Helsinki, Euro, Finnish Swedish. Now the next is France. The capital of France is Paris. The currency of France is Euro and the language of France is French. Now France, Paris, Euro, French. France, Paris, Euro, French. Now the next is Gabon. The capital of Gabon is Libreville. Now the currency of Gabon is CFA franc and the language is French. Gabon, Libreville, CFA franc and French. Now the next is Gambia, Banjul, Dalasi, English. Gambia, Banjul, Dalasi, English. Now the next is Georgia, Tbilisi, Ladi, Georgian. Georgia, Tbilisi, Ladi, Georgian. Georgia, Tbilisi, Lari, Georgian. The next is Germany, Berlin, Euro, German. Germany, Berlin, Euro, German. Germany, Berlin, Euro, German. Now the next is Ghana, Accra, Sedi, English. Ghana, Accra, Sedi, English. Ghana, Accra, Sedi, English. Now the next is Greece, Athens, Euro, Greek. Greece, Athens, Euro, Greek. So all done for today. Now we will continue in next day. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. And also if you have any doubt, comment down below related to this topic. I will try to clear your doubt replying. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.